Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Motivator. In this video, we are going to see job opportunities for mechanical graduates. So let us go into the video. The name of the company is L&T. So now they are recruiting BE and Diploma graduates from mechanical department. So it's a golden opportunity for you to crack a core job and get into it. So kindly make a note of it. And I will be providing all the details in the description itself. Once you read the description and use the link and apply, you can apply for this job. So designation is mechanical draftsman. You should know 3D SolidWorks, and education qualification is diploma, as well as B also they recruit. It's a permanent job. So gently scroll down the description. Salary will be given as per the company standard, and there will be a link there. Using that link you can apply for the job. And job location is in Chennai. So you need to have proficiency in preparing and have understanding and reviewing the SolidWorks model and structural drawing, PEB drawing, clash detection, connection detailing, etc. You need to have knowledge in mechanical and structural requirement along with good communication skill to meet the client expectation. You will be able to attend the client meeting and vendor discussion. So below that you will be having an option and link to apply for the job. So another job is also there for safety engineer. So for this they require experience between 5 to 8 years. So you need to operate independently. You need to plan your own schedule and action accordingly and ensure the EHS management system is working effectively. So you need to inspect and encourage the improvement and give management confidence in overall compliance. You need to organize or attend site safety and walk around as required. You need to investigate and follow up the accident, incident and dangerous occurrences. You need to make recommendation for prevention and follow up implementation. You need to prepare monthly summary and give a detailed report regarding the activities, progress and incidents and proceed as per the norms. So below that there will be an option to apply. You can also see the detailed information from the website. The link is also provided in the description. So kindly make a best use of it and apply for the job. If you like this video, means put a like and share the video to mechanical graduates. They will be making the best use of it. Kindly support our channel by subscribing and sharing the video to job seekers. We will be bringing all job opportunities to your doorstep. Stay tuned with Mechanical Motivator. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.